Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter F. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर F का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter F. लेटर F पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter F is F. 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 Letter F की आवाज है F. 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 Trace the letter with a pencil. अब आप F पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter F. अब हम F से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. F. Fan. F. Fish. F. Fox. F. Flower. F. Fan. F. Fish. F. Fox. F. Flower. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. F letter, fan, fan, fan.
F letter, fan, fan, fan.
F letter, pan, pan, pan.
F letter, pen, pen, pen.
Now circle the letter F in the given letters. इन letters में F के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Shabash. Now connect flowers to the jar with the help of lines. Connect fork to the plate with the help of lines. Connect fairy to its stick with the help of lines. Shabash. Dear teachers, ask children to name given F words. Introduce letter F with the phonic song. Help children to develop a story with the given words and pictures or play cards. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words fan, flag, frog, fish, frock, fork, fort, father, festival, and five. Ask children what are the colors of our national flag.